Sir, he may not be there in the video. You can.
Okay.
He sent you the question. You can ask the question that he sent you.
I'll then, sir, read out the question that he has sent to us. Aurangzeb ji from Hindustan Times wanted to ask, everybody accuses the PM of centralizing everything, centralizing everything, but he has been engaging with chief ministers as well. What do you have to say? Also, have you suggested your CMs to deal with migrant population specifically? That's the question, sir.
Sorry, can you repeat the first part, the control
yes,
part?
Sir. Aurangzeb from Hindustan Times wanted to ask, everybody accuses the Prime Minister of centralizing everything and controlling it, but he has been engaging with the chief ministers, including those of the opposition. What do you have to say? And secondly, he said that, what's your suggestion to deal with the migration population?
The best line I have heard in my conversations was that COVID cannot be controlled, it has to be managed. It has to be dynamically managed. And if you manage it properly, then you will be able to fight it back. But if you try to control it, you will not be able to control it. There's a difference between management and control. I think one needs to go beyond conversations. One needs to actually start putting money on the table, dynamically asking the chief ministers, what do they need? How can the central government help? So it is more than a conversation. It is a method of working. On the migrant issue, I think a couple mistakes were made with regards to the suddenness of the lockdown that have created a problem. We have a lot of migrants who are now stuck, and it is going to become a bigger problem as we go ahead. I think it's very important that we have a strategy for this, and I think the central government should work on a strategy of this, either how to solve this migrant issue in the states. I have not been speaking directly to my chief ministers about migrants, but I have mentioned to them that they need to handle this situation with extreme care and gentleness.
Thank you, sir. Can I ask Manoj CG from Indian Express to come in, please? Manoj CG from Indian Express. Manoj ji, please ask your question if you're here. Or I
think he's sent in it. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. He has sent, sir. Manoj has sent, he has got disconnected for some reason, but he sent the question and I'll read out his question to you.